Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal and today in this video I am going to tell you about interview questions and their best answers. So my question for this video is, how long would you expect to work for us if hired? As we all know that when we go for an interview, this is very common question which is asked to us, that how long would you expect to work for us if hired? So how you can answer such kind of question, that I'll tell you. First I'll tell you answers for fresher. Sir, I would like to start my professional career in a reputed company like yours, so there is no chance of quitting. So in this answer, as a fresher, I'm not giving a long answer. I'm just giving answer in a short way, that I would like to start my career in a reputed company which I got it, so there is no chance for leaving this job. Next answer you can give, I think every person seeks for the better opportunity, and I think your company is the best opportunity for my career, so there is no question of quitting. So in this answer, a fresher is trying to satisfy interviewer by telling him that he is looking for the best opportunity for him and he got for best opportunity in this company. So there is no question of leaving this job. Third answer, well, sir, I am a fresh graduate and it was my dream to get into an organization and would love to work with your company and achieve more and more to build my skills and knowledge. There is no question of quitting. So, see, here we are giving answer in 3-4 lines. He is trying to convincing the interviewer by telling that the company in which he is getting job is his dream company. So as he is a fresh graduate, his dream is becoming true, so he would love to work in his company. So he's trying to convince the interviewer that I'm really happy with this job and I will try to build my skills by doing this job, so there is no question for leaving this job. So as a fresher, you can answer in this ways. You can select your suitable answer. I have given here 3 answers. Next, I would like to tell answers for experienced professionals. First answer, I believe that this company has the capacity to offer me a best satisfying career and I would like to remain employed here for as long as my services are needed to the company. So experienced professionals can give answer in this way because they have already worked in lot of companies, so they have experience. So now why they are switching their job? Because they are getting something good in this job which will be satisfying for their career. So experienced professional can convince the interviewer by telling that this job will be a satisfying job for them, so they will try to work here as long as their services will be needed to the company. Next answer for experienced professionals. As far as I can tell, this company has everything I'm looking for. I enjoy this type of work and the benefits at this company are great. I am looking for a long-term position, and if there are opportunities for advancement and growth here, then I want to stay for a long time. So see, in this answer, an experienced professionals can convince interviewer by telling them that they are looking for such kind of job and they are getting this kind of job in their company. So they are also satisfied with their benefits which company are offering to them. So they would like to work here for a long time because here they are getting the opportunities for advancement and growth. So they will stay for a long time. Third answer for experienced professionals. I will work with this company as long as my presence benefits both the company and mine in parallel, so that company gains good results and I can be in a position to improve my skill. See, if you are highly experienced now, you can give such kind of answer because we are highly experienced, we are more matured than other experienced professionals, so we can directly say that we will work here till my presence will benefit the company or till company will benefit my personal growth. So this kind of answer can be given by experienced professionals. You can select your suitable answers. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have liked it. You can share this video if you like it, and you can subscribe to my channel Learn by Watch if you want to view more and more videos of mine. You can visit my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/learnbywatch. You can like my Facebook page facebook.com/learnbywatch, or you can mail me your comment and suggestions and your feedback on shalu@learnbywatch.com. Thank you.